Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY. This was the uptrend in the market. Then we were hoping that after some correction, market will go up again. There will be trend continuation, but you can see that market failed to go up and there was a heavy fall on Euro JPY. And right now we are standing at the ground zero from where we started. You can easily see that market took support at 128.43, the level from where it began to go up. So let's try to find out what are the trading opportunities on Euro JPY for Monday. So first of all, if you look at the trend of the market here, then there is no doubt that market is under heavy selling pressure, or in simple words, number of sellers are much higher in comparison to number of buyers. If there are 100 traders in the market, then at least 85 are on the sell side and only 15 to 10 are on the buy side. So in a market condition like this, it is wise to follow the trend only. Trend means if a market is in downtrend, look for selling opportunities, and if a market is in uptrend, look for buying opportunities. So considering the trend of the market, the only trading opportunity that I see is if market tries to recover. If market tries to recover on Monday or Tuesday, then we will get a selling opportunity, a shorting opportunity at 129.50 level. Around 129.50 level, we are going to get a selling opportunity if market tries to recover. How? First of all, we have a Fibonacci retracement level, and secondly, we also have this trend line acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And as you can clearly see, that market does not have the much strength to fight against the present sellers in the market. So therefore, when market will be going up, it will be facing resistance at the 129.50 level from this Fibonacci level as well as this trend line. So therefore, if market reverses from this level, we can definitely take a sell position. And this is our first trading opportunity on Euro JPY considering the trend of the market. And right now market is standing at 128.43 level, and you can see this is also a support for the market. But the market is in very sharp fall. Okay, there is a heavy selling going on in market right now. So in this kind of situation, it is not wise to take a buy position at the support, because if I zoom in, then you can see that market has come down to the level with heavy selling pressure. Therefore, please avoid taking a buy at this particular level. But we also have a buying opportunity. We have a buying opportunity at 128 level. In comparison to this level, 128 is a better level to take a buy, because if I take you to the weekly chart, you can see in the month of August and in the month of September, when Euro JPY witnessed heavy selling, 128 was the level that provided support to the market. So there is a possibility that if market comes down to a level of 128, we may see some recovery, and I suggest you to go for a buy. Just follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So take a sell position here at the trend line or at the Fibonacci retracement if market reverses, because trend is very strong. And if market comes down to a level of 128 and bounces, we can take a buy position. And if market breaks the level of 128, you can take a sell position, but that's a different story, that's a different chapter. I'll be discussing on Monday if that happens. Okay. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market plus signals. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, please go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Because apart from sharing signals and trading opportunities, I do many things. So bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.